nice little guy, you know. You know, nobody you like.
I know, but I don't really want nobody.
Why?
I'm just not ready for a relationship.
You know, so I know every guy, where even in the inner city, a bad guy. You have some nice guy down there, you know.
I know, but you
better
know.
than look rich, look fat them.
Yeah, that's true.
Let me hope for you that, you know. Are you nice? Yeah, you want somebody nice in your life.
Yeah, someday.
Yeah. Why me just can't bother? Remember, say me bigger than you, so me done. But like you, you
in due time, God will send someone for me.
Oh, you have to want it too, you know. God, I know not send it.
I know.
All right.
Wow, the place is nice, man. You know, person want to get a house, you know. Good God. Could I find another hot girl, person? Mighty God, man. Jesus. Uptown. Good gosh, man. Woo. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, what? Do I
Right.
know you or she know you?
No, you know, saying you may have talked to me still, you know. A young lady that just looks so lovely. Beautiful looking young lady over here. See me? You can't get your name.
No.
You know what talk, miss? Because your auntie talk to you. You can't talk. Okay, that don't matter still. You can get to know me, you see me? Just know say general man, I'm think tough.
I can, but I don't know who you are.
Look at me, you're rude, man. You're them pretty just rude and all, man. Don't be like your auntie, you know.
Well, it's my niece, and I have to be look out for her. I don't know, I never see her around here before.
Well, I'm an auntie, man. You know, say, I told her there, son, you really have to speak to still, you see me? Nah, be rude.
You're not going to work because you look like a little ghetto boy.
Don't worry about that, man. Get a boy. Try the good juice them for the girl.
Excuse me, you don't have any manners. I'm a big man.
So, watch out now. You can't leave a number with him. I want to leave a phone number with him. See me,
He's a big man.
We have a message for you. Believe me.
Okay, what's your number?
Don't worry, man. I whisper it in your ears.
Hello, what's your number?
Hi, boy. I'm kind of tired. I've had a cool day. So, look at that guy there. Look at and you're okay.
Yeah, no, I don't want nobody. Plus, him good enough have my money.
Yo, bad Indian!
Yo!
Forward, brother, forward!
How do you my dog?
There, my brother, man.
Easy, you know?
Yo, you know, say, I go for Beverly Hills today, brother. And me and tell you, say, dog, I see a cat out there, brother. Bro, long time I see a girl look so good, dog.
Cha-cha.
I'm bring her knife, you see?
Can you get a chance, bro? See what more feet.
Yo.
So, my friend.
Ah, boy, I tell you. Auntie, man, you know, but watch out, brother. Auntie, I fight me out, brother.
Cha-cha.
You see me come back auntie in a wrestling and them things, brother. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm fight woman, I fight me out. I want to put that, give me number and everything.
Yeah.
Forget that girl in there. Please.
Do you have to do me over?
Oh, you're not your dog. Like the house, you see me?
That is it, man.
I'm mad this life, man. Believe?
What?
Who they brother?
Oh.
Watch your dog, watch your. Who this? Man, sir, I call that. Hello? Oh, bucklad. What you say? Are you with the shop today? I know some lucky night here, man. But I call. I girls better the boy in the dog. Hold on, I'll go inside and talk to you. Yo. You're calling.
Yeah, bro. It's a code, man. Code.
Must see man. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out.